Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all had a nice weekend. I am back again with a new video, as you can all see. So today's look is this purple smoky half cut crease. Yeah, super glam and perfect for the evening. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and please do subscribe. Please also click the notification bell. We all know what YouTube's like. If you don't click the notification bell, you won't see my videos, and if you enjoy, please go and do that because I would appreciate it very much. Totally up to you, but I thought I would just explain that. And yeah, without further ado, we will get straight into the video. I've totally forgotten to charge my camera battery, so I'm really hoping that this is gonna survive, but we shall see. Okay, so the palette I'm going to use today is the Lick and Lash Beauty 35E palette. The first colour I'm going to go into is this middle purple shade, and I'm just going to pack this all over the crease and a little bit on the lid as well. I'm then going to go into this pinky purpley kind of shade here. I hope you can see that. And I'm going to use that to blend out that purple shade. I'm then going to take the black from the palette and just use this to deepen up that purple, make it a little bit darker and like smokier. I'm then going to take the NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm going to use this to cut out half my crease. I'm then going to take the white from the palette, and I'm going to use this to set down that base. I'm then going to take that first purple shade we went in with, and I'm just going to create like a triangle going down from this corner into like the center part of my crease. So I'm basically just going to blend this outer part into the inner part in like a triangular shape, if that sort of makes sense. And then I'm just gonna lightly like blend that into the white. And I'm going to go back in with the white as well until I'm happy with the shape, but I just want it to kind of blend in, but I still want that like purple poking through. I'm then going to go back into the black shade, and then I'm just going to blend out some more of the edge into the inner sort of lid area. I don't even know what I am saying, but I'm basically just going to blend it now in with the black shade, and then I'm also going to use the black to create a like liner on the top of the lid. However, I think it will be easier to watch than it will to explain, if that makes sense, because I think it sounds all a bit complicated, so just keep watching and you will see what I mean. I'm then going to take the MAC pigment in Warm Snow, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm then going to go into the Collection Lasting Colour gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this on my waterline. I'm then going to take some of that black but also some of the purple, and I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line to match the top. I'm then going to take some mascara and apply this to my lashes. And then I'm just going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in the style Sassy and glue these to my lids. So they are the eyes done. I'm just going to go and do my face off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought about it in the comments. Give the video a like, and please do click the subscribe button, and please click the notification bell as well so you get notified when I upload. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and there will be a new video up in a few days. Thank you once again. Bye.